Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to share Instagram profile link to WhatsApp. Right, let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened, and after we open the Instagram, we can click on our profile right here. Then we gotta click on share profile. It's right here, just click on it. Then wait for a moment guys, it's still loading, and we can click on share profile. Or we can also copy link, but I prefer to click on share profile, and after that we can choose WhatsApp since we want to share this profile link to WhatsApp. Alright, just click on WhatsApp, and then you can choose either you want to share it to your story or maybe you want to share it to your contacts, and I'm going to share it to my contacts. All right, this is the contact that I want to share my story. Just click on the contact, and after that we can click on this send button, and hold on guys. All right, after that we can click on this send button again to share this profile link. Alright guys, that's how we can share our profile link to WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.